Hey guys, how to remove credit or debit card from TikTok account.
Over 30, you guys know what you want sexually.
TikTok account. Excuse me.
Over 30, you guys know what you
want. And hold, click the profile icon at the bottom right. Okay. Now what you're gonna do, go ahead and click the three bars at the top right. You're gonna see a pop-up window and select the second option, balance. Okay. And you're gonna see right here your coins, your estimated balance, your earnings and profits and all that stuff. And under the monetization, you're gonna see live rewards. Go ahead and click on them. Right? And then what you're gonna do now, just go ahead and hit, withdraw to withdraw your profits from TikTok, and then add the credit card. If you have already a debit card or credit card, you can delete them from there. But if you don't, you're gonna go ahead and add a new credit or debit card so they can send the money to your bank account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.